At a press briefing held today, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya PRESTONE TYNSONG had informed the media on development of certain important issues concerning the state. President Tynsong, while speaking about the status of the 5 Congress MLAs who have been suspended by the AICC and supporting the MDA government, said that the 5 are legally with the Congress party until such time that they are expelled or terminated from it.
See, right now, I'm telling you, legally speaking, they are still Congress MLA. When suspension is still continuing, they are still Congress MLAs. If expulsion or termination order comes out, that is a different issue. But right now, they are still with Congress, they are still Congress MLAs. Ultimately, if expulsion takes place, they'll become MLA independent. They cannot join any other party. The moment they get expulsion letter from their high command or from the MPCC, whatever it may be, they will become independent from that moment.
While speaking on the proposed peace talks by the proscribed HNLC group, PRESTONE TYNSONG informed that discussions had taken place between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya with officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs in New Delhi, and interlocutors will also be identified.
Well, the status right now, we are waiting for few more formalities to be done, and very soon, I think our Honorable CM yesterday has already given this statement. Interlocutor will be in place. Then, once that is done, dialogue will start.